Learn how to blur a part of a video in CapCut with this straightforward tutorial. First, ensure that CapCut is updated by visiting the App Store or Google Play Store. Once updated, open CapCut and import your video. Then, add the blur effect by clicking on Effects, then Video Effects and selecting the blur effect. Adjust the strength of the blur as needed. Next, overlay the video by clicking on Overlay. Then add Overlay and selecting the same video from your adjust the size and position of the overlaid video to match the original. Now, select the overlaid video, swipe on the bottom until you find the mask button and choose the desired mask shape. Click on the invert button and adjust the size of the blur. If the object in the video is moving, add keyframes by clicking on the keyframe button, moving the video to the desired position, adjusting the blur, and clicking Done to add the keyframe automatically. Repeat this process for the duration of the video to ensure consistent blurring. That's it. You've successfully blurred a part of a video in CapCut. Thanks for watching.